And we're off. Today is Sunday. Thought we'd go out for a little cruise on the MT and talk a little bit about you know, that car was sexy. What's up, fool? I don't know you. I'm a heavy breather, so there's gonna be a lot of breathing coming from my. Oh, fuck! I'm scared, dude. What do I say? What do I say to these guys? These guys are masters. What do I say to them, dude? Do I wave? What do I do? Do I say what's up? Just nod, give them the nod. Yeah, give them the nod. What's up, guys? Peace, brother. Should I chase him? Nah, I'm scared, dude. I wouldn't be able to handle me chasing him. These guys are much too fast for me. Please, no one hit me. Face shield down. Slingshot engage.
Here I come. Slingshot engaged.
Give a little bit of a lean. Counter steering, baby. Always works. Downshift in a third. Of course. Of course. What are we gonna do, man? Alright. Do we sit in here? Technically, I'm pretty sure I can filter this. I don't know if I can, though, or I should. I'm kind of scared. There's a lot of filtering. Oh, fuck. Should I do it? I feel like I should wait till I get to the straight. I'm pretty sure I can, but I've never done anything. This is a major lane split here. This is major filtering. I don't know if she can handle it, but I should get gas. There's a gas station down here. I don't want to be that guy, though. Oh, decisions. Should I do it? I'm pretty sure I can. I don't know the laws around this. That guy's going, but he's on a biciclette. He rides his biciclette. Fuck, should I? I'm so scared, dude. I've never done anything like this. Beginner problems. These are new problems, dude. Noober. What do I do, man? My hand already hurts from playing with my clutch. I'm really beating myself up over this. I should do it. Should I? I don't know. I could make a U-turn and go the other way, but I'm not sure if the other way is also been, if it's also been compromised. I don't know. If I see someone else doing it, then I'll go ahead and partake. But I'm not gonna be the guy. That guy. People get upset. Oh, I'm gonna hit him. This guy thinks he's better than me, filtering, using his motorcyclist right to filter. How dare he? How dare that guy? Oh, fuck. Should I go this way? I'm not sure if the gate's open this way. Oh my goodness! Oh, wind in my face. I've never gotten this low on gas. I was too afraid to push its limits, baby. If the gate's open, I don't think it is. I knew it wasn't going to be open either. I don't know why I did that. Well, now I get to look like an idiot because if I would have just stayed with the group I was in, then I could have been in the same spot. Can't go that way, I already tried that. Alright, for anyone out there thinking about buying a motorcycle, I cannot stress enough. I highly recommend you take the MSF course, the Motorcycle Safety Foundation course put on by the CHP. It is I mean, even like, for someone like me, it helped me a lot. And I'm not really that bad, I'm not a bad rider per se, but I don't want to cut this guy off, but I'm going to do it anyways. I could split this, I'm going to split it. I want to filter these guys. Sorry, not sorry. Anyways, for those that want to take the MSF course, I highly recommend you do it. It helped me so much. I mean, there were so many bad habits that I had developed just like kind of teaching myself, you know. But taking the class has it's boosted my confidence to a point. It's not like cockiness at all, but it's don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. Ugh. That's dirty. I want a receipt. No grazie. Today's song of the day, man, is It's 5 O'Clock Somewhere by Alan Jackson. Pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. That was loud over there. Anyways, talking about the MSF course. So my motorcycle journey, I guess, started by myself. Like I rode my friend's R3 from work. I rode that like 3 times in the shop, like in the parking lot. I did that, and then I was like, yo, I want a motorcycle. And my homeboy Kenneth was like, yo dog, he don't speak like that, but I just said, you know, I want a bike, man. And he was like, you know what, dude, you go get a bike, don't tell me. He's like, I heard you have one, I don't care. He's like, I don't care what you do. And I was like, that's kind of rude. And he said, oh, well, it is what it is, baby. So from there I said, you know what, dude, you're right. So I went to the dealership, bought my motorcycle. I did buy it from the dealership. So, oh, my clutch. Yep, that guy must be important. He has white pants. White pants are cool. Oh, fuck. Yeah, Electric Glide. What's this? Triumph? Shout out to the Squid Missile, Luke. Mr. Squid. Mr. Squidward. Fucking guy. I didn't see you there, peekaboo. No command. Cancel. Cancel. My Senna always does that, man. I'll say something that's totally not related to, you know, say something, and then it'll be like, oh, what do you need, dog? And I'm like, no, cancel that order. Do not execute order 66. Anyways, going back to the topic of today is the MSF course. Yes, 100% take that course. Ask for a loan from your mommy. Or what are you looking at, fool? I don't know you. Gosh. Anyways. Oh, cancel. Gosh, that's twice already. I don't even say anything remotely close. I didn't say anything! Cancel. Get a loan from your mommy or your daddy, or sell some of your collectible Lego sets or Mega Blocks, whatever you had growing up. I had both, a mix of both. So we did that. I did the MSF course, and coming from like, oh, just Ben B learning on his MT-07, it was like, first of all, they have you on cruisers, and cruisers are so badass. I don't care who you are. Like, if you're the biggest squid missile riding, nooner popping squid in your town, you're the #1 squid popper, you know? It's like a, I don't know, dude. It was so sick riding a cruiser. So comfortable. Except after a while, the bike that was given to me had a seat that was very uncomfortable for my hiney. And after a while, I'd start getting like little pinches in my booty. And and it wasn't the greatest time, but it's super comfortable. So, you know, I give it one of these and push up against like the kind of lumbar support on the seat, and I was like, yeah, this is gangster. Lean, baby. The bike is a little heavier now since I put that gasolina in. Yeah, but definitely 100% take the MSF course, dude. 100% worth the money. Not in my opinion, it's a statistical fact. Yeah, it was super cool. So, went to the MSF course, and my whole thing about it was like, okay, I already know how to do most of this stuff. I read through the book, and I was like, well, this is like wasting my time. You know, I already read the book. I've studied up on this knowledge, and I don't need it, dude. I'm Ben B. And I went and did the course, and it was like, I took it with a grain of salt, man. I was like, I don't know everything. No one knows everything, especially about motorcycling. Nobody knows everything, not even Valentino Rossi himself. Maybe Valentino, but anyone else, I don't think so. Oh, maybe John Travolta, because he was in Wild Hogs. Who else? I think that's it. John Travolta, Wild Hogs, Valentino Rossi. I think that's it, yeah. So, did the course. Super fun, actually. They gave me a Kawasaki Eliminator. They gave me the Kawasaki Terminator. Yeah, so I passed the thing. They gave you like a riding test. It's the easiest thing. Like, don't be scared. That's the number one thing I could recommend for someone about to take the class. Like, don't be a fucking bitch, dude. Don't be a pansy. Don't be a panzer tank. Yeah, don't be scared, man. Embrace what you're doing. Everything they're teaching you, there's a reason for that. We were doing an exercise, and I was like, well, why would we, like, I just don't understand. Why would they teach us this? Or why would they have us do this? And then later on, it came back to, like, turn your head, everyone. Because in a turn, you want to look through the turn. You want to be able to see where you're going. You're already here, so why would you want to look down at the ground? You know what I'm saying? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Everything you're learning, they've broken it down, you know? You need to know this stuff before you hit the road. And after doing it, I feel so much better on the motorcycle. I feel absolutely 100% like a different rider. Like a ghost rider. Let's go that way. Yeah, I feel really good. Except, you know, popping it into neutral there. Other than that, I've been really good at riding. My shifts are crispy. My downshifts are even crispier. Great. Now I'm stuck behind the mystery machine. If you want to buy a motorcycle, go and do it, man. It's a great way to get around. It's fun, economical. Damn, this mystery machine's tearing it up on these twisties, man. I tried to give him the wave, but I was too busy giving it throttle, baby. Alright, going back to the MSF course, most definitely take it with a friend. I probably should have talked about that earlier, but it'd probably make the class way more enjoyable. You know, I took it and it was still a lot of fun by, like, myself. Actually, you know, it kind of depends on what kind of person you are. If you're a person that you can listen very well when others are not present to distract you, then I would take the class by yourself. I tend to distract people because, you know, I like laughing, having a good time with my buddies. Damn, there's a lot of foos out today. And now we're back with more people. And you know what that means, more cars. More cars. Hey, if you guys like the motovlog stuff, and you guys want more, make sure to drop a like and put a comment down if Martine should buy a motorcycle. Later, skaters.